Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. I am so pumped you're here with us. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of accessing public court records online, and the best part, we're going to do it without spending a single dime. Look, whether you're knee-deep in legal research, tracking down your family's genealogy, or maybe just running a background check on a property you're looking at, knowing how to pull these records yourself is basically an absolute superpower. So let's jump right in.
But first, let me ask you something. Are you totally fed up with trying to find Chatham County court records without hitting a massive paywall? It is incredibly frustrating, right? You start your search, you get dumped into some confusing portal, it begs you to create an account, and bam, suddenly they want your credit card info. Well, take a breath, because you are definitely not alone. Today, we're validating that exact pain point and completely removing it. By the end of this explainer, you're going to have a seamless step-by-step solution to get exactly what you need, completely stress-free.
Here's a quick look at our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover the Chatham County trap. Second, searching Chatham County, Georgia. Third, searching Chatham County, North Carolina. Fourth, some advanced search pro tips. Fifth, pitfalls and troubleshooting. And finally, number 6, final tips and a quick disclaimer.
All right, Section 1, the Chatham County trap.
Okay, so here's the crazy thing about searching for Chatham County. You instantly hit what we call a homonymic challenge. Basically, you might be looking for the Eastern Judicial Circuit down in Georgia, or you could be looking for District 18 up in North Carolina. They share the same name, but they are two completely distinct judicial systems with entirely different rules. Georgia uses the Odyssey and Research GA portals, and they actually charge you for document downloads. North Carolina, on the flip side, just moved to this new eCourts portal where downloads are 100% free. So knowing exactly which state you actually need is absolutely crucial step 1. Moving right along to Section 2, searching Chatham County, Georgia. If you're going down the Georgia path, you actually have a multi-tiered strategy. The Clerk of Superior Court is known as the keeper of the records. For the most part, you're going to rely on the local Odyssey portal for real-time local actions, so things like civil, criminal, magistrate, and probate cases. But you can also use the statewide Research GA system. Both are fantastic tools, but they serve slightly different functions depending on exactly how deep you need to dig into the files. So let's break down how to actually use the Georgia portal. Step 1, you just visit the portal website. Step 2, you have a choice. You can search anonymously, which means you'll have to clear a CAPTCHA every time, or you can take a minute to register for a free account and bypass those annoying security screens entirely. Now, step 3 is where the money comes into play. You can view open cases, party lists, and docket timelines totally for free. But to protect personal privacy, the actual document scans aren't just sitting there for free download. If you want a digital copy of the actual document, it's going to cost you a standard fee of exactly 50 cents per page. Once you're inside that Georgia Odyssey portal, you'll want to kick off your query using the Smart Search option under the General Filtering options. This is pretty much your primary hunting ground. It's perfect for tracking down specific case numbers and getting a really good, broad overview of the records attached to a specific person or a business. Now, what if your initial search is just way too broad? No problem. You can use the additional party search filters to really drill down and narrow your focus. This feature lets you filter by party name, business name, or if you have them, you can get super specific and use booking numbers or even FBI numbers. It's a wildly powerful way to just cut through all the noise and pinpoint exactly who you're looking for. Okay, here is a massive insider tip for our Georgia searchers, your general civil search engines. They are not going to show you traffic citations, environmental infractions, or county ordinance violations. Those are exclusively routed through a totally separate system called the Recorder's Court Municipal Online Services Portal. So if you're just looking for a simple speeding ticket, please don't waste your time digging around in the Superior Court database. All right, shifting gears to Section 3, searching Chatham County, North Carolina. Let me tell you, North Carolina is a breath of fresh air when it comes to public access. They recently transitioned over to a cloud-hosted eCourts portal that runs on the enterprise justice system. What does this actually mean for you? It means you can go in as a completely anonymous user, search and download complete, unredacted PDF records for free. No registration required, no 50-cent per page fees, nothing. They designed it this way specifically to lower the barriers to civic transparency and cut down on their own administrative costs. It's honestly a game changer. Getting these records is incredibly simple and will save you so much time. No more waiting in line at the clerk's counter. Step 1, just head over to portal.nccourts.gov. Step 2, use Smart Search if you want a complete case summary or the NC Judgment Search if you're looking for specific judgments. Step 3,
view the file, and click download. It literally is that simple to pull concrete evidence and track a case from start to finish. Section 4. Advanced Search Pro Tips. Let's level up those searching skills. Okay, if you're searching by a specific case number in North Carolina, you absolutely have to follow their strict 4-part syntax rule. You need the 2-digit year, a 2-letter case classification code, a 6-digit sequence, and then the 3-digit county code. So it'll look something like 21 CR 00003-910. Also, do not forget to use wildcards. If you're kind of unsure how a name is spelled, just throw an asterisk at the end of your partial search term. The system will catch all the potential matches for you. It's a huge time saver. Section 5. Pitfalls and troubleshooting. Look, even the experts hit roadblocks, so knowing your jurisdiction's limits is key. We already talked about the classic mistake of searching for Georgia traffic tickets in Superior Court. But another huge pitfall happens in North Carolina. People constantly ask the Register of Deeds for criminal files. Don't do this. The Register of Deeds only handles things like land transactions, deeds of trust, and vital records. If you want court cases, you absolutely have to use the Clerk of Court's e-courts portal. Now, you might be wondering, why are we even allowed to see all this stuff? Well, it literally comes down to foundational legislation. Whether you're a genealogist or a pro se litigant, laws like the Georgia Open Records Act and North Carolina General Statute 7A-109 are what guarantee your right to inspect these documents. Just keep in mind, the record custodians are legally authorized to redact highly sensitive stuff, like social security numbers or bank accounts, just to keep everyone safe from identity theft. Finally, Section 6. Final tips and disclaimer. Here's a great final tip. If you ever get totally stuck online, or say you're in Georgia and really want to avoid paying that 50-cent per page fee just to read a document, you can always go in person. Both counties have public access terminals situated directly in their courthouses. In Savannah, Georgia, you'll head down to 400 West Oglethorpe Avenue. And in Pittsboro, North Carolina, you'll find them at 40 East Chatham Street. Now, I do have to give a quick but super important evergreen disclaimer here. While this explainer is designed to make you a much better, more efficient searcher, all of this information is strictly for educational purposes. It does not replace the counsel of an actual legal professional. If you need formal legal advice, please always consult a qualified lawyer. And there you have it. Armed with these free online tools, you are now fully equipped to efficiently navigate the Chatham County systems, whether you're searching down in Georgia or up in North Carolina. You've got the roadmap, you know how the portals work, and you know exactly which pitfalls to avoid. So, the only question left is, what hidden histories and vital truths will you uncover in the public records today? Go start your search, keep learning, and thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer.